Hey everyone, my name is Leon, welcome to another video. I make content every single day focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if you are interested, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to color grade in Premiere Pro. So without any further hesitation, let's get started. Okay everybody, so on the screen is Premiere Pro, and for once I'm actually using some stock footage. I didn't get this from Envato Elements, by the way. So let's just drag this particular video onto the timeline. And then what you want to do is go to lumetri color. And I know you met with the, well, from what I can see, a shit ton of options and stuff. So you got things like basic correction, creative, curves, and all that stuff, and color wheels, HSL secondary. I've never fucked around with this. And vignette. I don't know. Anyway, so this is what we're going to be focusing on. So let's just, for example, have a look at the settings they got here. Quite nice. Somewhat nicer. Looking a little bit more, I don't know, realistic. These are, if I'm correct, some of the LUTs. I don't know how you pronounce it. And you got, that's more for a depressing look. And I like depressing shit. And I love depressing shit. So there we are. And essential, that's alright. Anyway, so just go with that. Well, whatever, whichever one you want, if you even want to. And let's just have a look at the temperature does. So you can add some. Ooh, okay. It's looking a little bit, like ice is there. I don't know. It just looks a bit dark. Cool. So tint. Okay. They look like broccoli or something. I don't know. Don't ask. And this is the exposure. So you got this. This. Contrast, so you want to make it dark, I suppose. Highlights, I'd say it's more yeah. Shadows as well, so you can add some shadows, white, or like white color, I guess. Brighten it up a little bit more. Oh yeah, and you have blacks as well, so you can make it a little bit more depressing, or you can make it basically dark. To be fair, they look like something else. But yeah. So you got saturation as well, no creative, faded film as well. That's even more depressing at that point. Sharpen, so you can sharpen it all up, which I think is pretty fucking cool actually. Vibrance, so make it a little bit more colourful, as per usual. And I'm not going to fuck around with the rest, but essentially that is basically how to do some basic or just color grading in general. And that's essentially it. Okay everyone, so that is how you color grade your videos in Premiere Pro. If you found this video valuable, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on for more videos. Leave a thumbs up and share this video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow much further. And leave any questions or feedback in the comment section, or message me via Instagram, Snapchat or Twitter. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care everybody.